Good morning, Southview Upper Elementary students and staff. Happy Tuesday, August 22nd, and welcome to another day of learning, growth, and excitement. I heard some of you groan, but that's okay. Let's jump right into announcements. First up, a quick reminder to all my cross-country runners out there. Due to the sizzling summer heat, there will be no cross-country practice this week. Safety for all of our students is top priority, so take care and stay cool. Looking ahead to mark our calendars, tomorrow, Wednesday, is an early dismissal day, which means you will be heading home at 2:45. Use this extra time that you have wisely. This Friday, we have an assembly, more info to come later on. Attention all budding artists and creative minds, there's a chance for you to make your mark on Southview News. If you're up to the challenge, pick up a contest page from the table in front of my room, at the receptionist desk, or at either art room. Your masterpieces are welcome until the end of August. To submit your entry, ask your teachers to drop them in my mailbox or personally deliver them to me in my black mailbox outside of my room. Now for a special treat. Every Tuesday, starting today, I am going to share an exciting Energizer from Avid. So get ready to learn this Avid Energizer, a fun way to take a break during the middle of a lesson to recharge your energy and get your brains buzzing. All right, today we're gonna learn the stand up, sit down Energizer. But this is the school bus edition. For this version, you will sit down if you are doing an appropriate bus behavior. And if I say something that's inappropriate behavior on the bus, then you need to stand up. Are you ready to go? If you're sitting at your desk, you may want to scoot your chair out just a little bit so that there's plenty of room for standing and sitting. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Changing your seats while the bus is moving. Be kind to your bus driver. Stand up before the bus stops. Respect other students' personal space. Retaliate if a student says something mean. Be as loud as you possibly can. Be kind, safe, and responsible whenever you're on the bus. Great job, you did it, and hopefully you're sitting down. That's all we have for today's announcements here at Southview. Let's tackle another day with curiosity and a dash of joy. Have a fantastic Tuesday.